We're a people business, and that's why as an employer of choice, it's really important that we invest in our people. Catalyst is one such example of that investment in action.
The Catalyst program is a program designed to drive the development of our internal talent.
The Catalyst participants are senior executives from across Zurich.
There are 26 global participants in the program representing every region across Zurich, as well as specific functions.
The Catalyst program focuses on 5 capabilities that are very important for the future of the group.
And you can think of these as the capabilities you need to win in the future.
This is being customer-led, fueling innovation, leading in a digital age, navigating ecosystems, and sustainable leadership.
The Catalyst program has got a unique design.
It consists of 3 modules on 3 continents, comprises site visits to leaders from different industries that are particularly strong in these future capabilities.
You know, the expectation is that the participants will really take an enterprise-wide leadership perspective.
If you look at what's happening in the insurance industry, it's going through a profound transformation, like something we've never seen before.
This program is designed to help accelerate our leadership to be able to deal with this change.
And really being ready for this transformation.
My Catalyst role means to me that I get an opportunity to look more broadly into the organisation.
As I think about what we might achieve over the next year, it's very exciting to think about the diverse group that's been brought together.
We'll be able to go to a number of different companies that are best in class effectively in some of these capabilities.
I think it's an amazing opportunity where you get to know other organizations, look deep into and get insights in other firms and industries.
It's a great opportunity to work with some excellent people from across the group and get some exposure to our executive team.
I think my role as a leader in the organization is to enable change, to inspire others, and to influence behaviors. That's exactly what Catalyst means.
So the opportunity is there to have a big impact by doing this together outside of your normal environment.
Well, at Zurich, clearly we aspire to be an employer of choice, and to do that you need world-class talent, and you not only need that talent, but you need to grow and develop that talent as well.
People choose to work for an organization for a variety of different reasons. I think the most important of those reasons is for the people that you work for, your direct supervisors. This program, the Catalyst program, will help us develop our leaders to attract talent to the organization and make Zurich the employer of choice.